Now let us go into the second part of the sutra. With utmost devotion, center on the two junctions of breath, know the knower. He says, know the knower. Shiva is now turning the devotion towards yourself. Devotion towards the Rama, Krishna, Shiva, Devi, all these things are a lot more easy. But turning that same devotion towards yourself is a real difficult thing, because you are constantly condemning yourself. You are constantly condemning yourself. You do not accept yourself. Here Shiva says, turn the devotion towards yourself. Shiva's job is very easy because he is speaking to Devi, who is already devoted. So straight away he says, turn the devotion towards yourself. But I am speaking to you all. First thing I have to do is I have to create devotion. That's what I was trying to do. Create the importance of create an idea about the importance of devotion. Now we'll have to move to the second step. Turn the same devotion or attention or energy towards yourself. Let you be completely devoted to your being, which can be felt in the center of two junctions of breath. As I was telling you yesterday, in the early sutras, between the two breath, between the junction of two breath, always you experience yourself. Yourself without any identity. As on now, you have two identity. Identity which you project about yourself to the world, and the identity which you have about yourself within yourself. You meet your ultimate self, which is not these two, which is beyond these two, in the center of breath. Whenever incoming breath is taking turn as outgoing breath, or the outgoing breath taking turn as incoming breath, in that both junctions, you touch your pure inner space, which is beyond both identities which you are carrying in your life. You carry two identities. One is ego, superiority complex, which you are constantly showing to the outer world. You always show more than what you think you are. And the second thing, inferiority, which you are carrying within yourself. You always think you are some way insufficient, imperfect. The idea or the identity which you carry about yourself is one. The identity which you project to the world is second. You go beyond these two identity and experience yourself every moment between every incoming and outgoing breath. Every single moment, center of the two junctions of breath, you experience that neutral space where you are beyond identity, beyond your mind. He says, be devoted to that space. Now, we all know how to be devoted to Shiva. Sit in front of Shiva's statue and just be completely offer yourself, surrender, relax. Or sitting in front of Rama, you know how to be devoted. But now he is saying, with that same utmost devotion, sit in front of your space, your own self. relax at yourself is asking you to accept yourself and put your attention between two breaths in the neutral space. It is just a wonderful technique to experience the neutral space. He says, through this know the knower. Through this experience, the being who is constantly experiencing everything. He says, through this you will achieve the ultimate enlightenment. First thing, you need to create the tremendous devotion towards Guru or God and turn that devotion towards yourself.